Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how when condition does work with our Ansible playbooks. If you do remember, we were trying to install Apache on RHEL servers as well as Ubuntu systems, but we have created two different files for the similar kind of task. It doesn't looks good, right? And also it is not good way of handling. So you should write single Ansible playbook. Depends upon your operating system. It should take a decision. Okay, whether should I need to run M or apt. This is possible by using a when condition. Let's open these files and create a single file out of this. These are the two files, right? So this is running on DB servers. This is running on web servers. Okay. So I'm creating a single file vi install apache httpd. Okay, so in this one I'm going to copy this both the files output. So first one is this one. So next one is this one. So only tasks would be fine because remaining all information we don't need. So vi install apache underscore httpd. Okay, so I just kept both the tasks in single playbook, and if you see the alignment also I have copied as it is, so it won't throw any syntax error. Now if I run this playbook, what will happen? So these all tasks is going to execute on all the systems, but my requirement is whenever server is RHEL distribution, run these tasks. Whenever server is Debian distribution, run these tasks. For this purpose, so we were talking about Ansible OS family. Gathering facts is going to gather facts from the system. Now we are going to use that one. So to use this one, let me modify it. So instead of web servers, let's install on all the servers. Okay. Now become true and install package httpd. Here I need to use when. Okay. I want to use when condition when Ansible OS family. Okay, Ansible OS family is equal, so this is Red Hat. All right, if Ansible OS family is Red Hat, then run this condition. When Ansible OS family is Red Hat, then run this condition. For time being, let's ignore the notify and handler as well because it may create confusion. So this one I want to run only if Ansible OS family is equal to Red Hat. Similar way, even this also, and the alignment would be this should start with equal to your module. So when Ansible OS family is Red Hat, similar way here Ansible OS family is Debian, right? Okay, Debian. Ansible OS family is Debian, and same is applicable over here as well. So what I'm doing, I'm just using one additional condition, that is when condition. So I would like to execute this one, depends upon the operating system distribution. So if it is Red Hat distribution, run yum command. If it is a Debian distribution, run apt command. Let's save this file and clear the screen. Let me open install apache httpd, right? So you can see here, this is the file, looks good. Let's run Ansible playbook -i hosts install apache httpd check. I'm just checking it out. And if you see the checking, you can clearly understand how it is going to run. All right, you can see here, first it is gathering facts. Once it is gathered facts, it is going to install packages. First task is executing on only two systems, that is 135 and 140, because these are RHEL distribution, and on 43 it is skipping because it is a Ubuntu system, means Debian distribution. Similar way, starting the service also it is skipping over here. But whenever comes to here, So installing Apache, it is skipping these two systems and installing only on this system. Similar way here as well. But if you see, all are installed with the packages. That is the reason it is not going to change. So before executing this playbook, I'm going to execute uninstall packages. So Ansible playbook -i hosts uninstall package. It uninstalls only on RHEL distribution. I'm going to remove on Ubuntu. So service Apache 2 stop. So apt remove Apache 2. Okay, I'm removing the packages. Yes, let's uninstall. And if I check it again, this time it is going to successful on all the systems, nothing but going to change. So install Apache HTTPD I'm running. Okay, you can see here first server it is skipping, but remaining servers changing. All right, so let's install our Apache Tomcat. So just to check it out, if I refresh this one, it won't work because we have uninstalled. If I refresh this one also, it won't work. If I refresh this one also, it won't work. Once we executed this Ansible playbook, it should work. So let's execute. First it is installing HTTPD. Okay, instead of package, I should use HTTPD. Anyway, it's installed on 140 and 135 and started the services. And it is installing Apache 2. It is skipping on these two systems and installed and started on Ubuntu system. Let's go and refresh now. You can see here it's working, and this also. Okay, this is how we can write Ansible playbook to execute depends upon your operating system flavor. Now to test it out, we are going to disable the gather facts Apache HTTPD. So oops, I haven't given the .yml extension. That's okay. As I said, it is optional. Just to make sure that what will happen if we disable gather facts. Gather underscore facts. Okay, I'm just changing gather facts now, and I'm also moving this one to appropriate naming convention .yml. Now let's execute this playbook with check, just to with check, and you can see it is going to fail. Sorry, .yml, right? So you can see here what it is saying. The condition check Ansible OS family Red Hat failed. The error was error while evaluating the condition. So it cannot able to evaluate because gather facts is not giving any input for this particular value. Okay, so I'm going to add it back. I have deleted it, and let's rerun now. This time it is going to work. You can see it is unreachable. Why? Because we immediately ran it. Now you can see this. It could able to do. All right. So that is how we can able to run a single playbook depends upon the operating system. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.